Look at you. What do you have to say for yourself? Look, you got burrs on your paws. Come on, let's go. Do you suffer from chronic leaking hydrants disease, where your hydrant just weeps and weeps and weeps, causing soggy ground? Don't mind the dog turds. Then in this video today, you're going to learn how to fix that. Maybe, because I really don't know anything about those things whatsoever. So pause yourself, prepare yourself. I'm going to actually talk like I know what I'm talking about when it comes to these hydrants. These hydrants right here, I believe, have a weep on the bottom of them. So I'm thinking the weep went bad. So what I mean by a weep, after water comes up through there, so that this part of the pipe is not actually full of water and would freeze. It drains out the stand part of that. I think that's gone bad, so now the hydrant is weeping all the time. Kind of like I do at the end of the movie Marley and Me. There's another one right there. I think this is the, yeah. So we're gonna boot up for the day and go see if we can get this nuisance of a problem fixed. Let's get to work. Apparently this is a take your dog to work day. Well, normally is. If you're rolling with us, roll with us. I just got done with my office work. I'm just gonna go by here in a second. So I gotta go get the excavator. I'm gonna start working on that hydrant right now. Look at you. What do you have to say for yourself? Look, you got burrs on your paws. Come on, let's go.
Shut off?
I did. What do you think?
I'd say
The water line's going to come from there to there, and then I think it wraps that way. So I'd say this side's our safest, wouldn't you? Right where Lola's standing.
no, dig on the south side of it.
you don't fall in on me. One, two, three. Don't go in with me.
Joint is. Well, that might be the weep hole, but it looks like it might be leaking out the weep hole. It means something internally is going bad.
Pressure in it. Here, you twist that off. I don't want to stand right there. I'm going to get sprayed. But it just wet off the pressure. At some point is winter. Yeah, it's slowing down already. Down. Alright, spin. Lean towards uphill. Okay, spin. Keep spinning. Okay, pull up on it a little. Okay, you started. Okay, you're gonna have to hold on to. Okay, go ahead.
I got the hydrant.
So, see, it's seeping just as much as it is out over there. It's just saturated. Oh, that's cold. That is so in my boots. So much for a new set of gloves. That's not good. Well, skid steer's loaded. I think that's where we're gonna call this a video here. I had to go change and get out of those soapy socks. I have to go deal with someone drove out in my field and got absolutely buried in one of my hay fields when I was in Ohio. Gotta go deal with that. So a little bit of a sloppy video. Planting. We're gonna plant at some point. You. Why? Let's go and make an effort. You're gonna make me come get you, aren't you?